Hi, my name is Jun Kong, and I'm a bankruptcy lawyer practicing in California, and I'm here to answer a viewer's question about bankruptcy. And today's question is, what's the difference between Chapter 7 and 13 bankruptcy? Before I give you an answer, I need to give you my disclaimers that although I am a bankruptcy lawyer, I'm not your bankruptcy lawyer. I don't represent you, and the information provided is for information purposes only. And if you're considering filing for bankruptcy, you should consult with an experienced bankruptcy attorney who can analyze and review your current circumstances and situation so that you can determine knowingly if this is the best course of action for you. To answer your question, what is the difference between Chapter 7 and 13 bankruptcies? The simple short answer is that a Chapter 7 bankruptcy allows you to discharge your debts, primarily unsecured debts such as credit cards, without having to pay them back, and you can get a fresh start free of those old debts. Chapter 13 bankruptcy requires that you make a payment plan for a 3 to 5 year period, during which time you will pay back some or all of those debts through a payment plan that is approved by the bankruptcy court. Whether you file for Chapter 7 or 13, you do have to go through certain qualifications, in particular if you're going to file for Chapter 7, and that is dependent on your household income and whether or not you meet the income requirements in your jurisdiction. For Chapter 13, because you're making payments, you don't have the income requirement, but there are limits and restrictions on how much debt you can have to qualify to file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy as well. Again, I would highly advise you to consult with an experienced bankruptcy lawyer before going forward so they can look at your complete situation and circumstances and give you the proper advice for your bankruptcy. And if you're considering bankruptcy, I assume that you are under some financial stress, so I'd like to offer you a solution for your financial stress as well. I am a bankruptcy lawyer practicing in California for almost 20 years now, and although I make good income from my bankruptcy practice, what I needed was more time to spend with my family, and so I found an online business which I can operate on a part-time basis and which is currently generating supplemental income for me to free up more time that I can spend with my family. If you're in need of additional income or just supplemental income for your family, and you're looking for a way that you can do it on a part-time basis from home, you can learn more about this opportunity at essentialtosuccess.com. And really, the kind of people we're looking for are people who like to learn new things, take action on what they learn, like to have fun learning and making money, and hang out with cool people who like to do the same thing. We have a great group of people. We have a lot of fun doing what we do. And if you want to join us, make money, have fun, learn something new, and free up more time for yourself and your family, then come join us. Go to essentialtosuccess.com, or you can click on the button below to learn more.